Hiya, Teddy.
Hi, Poppy.
What is the name of our story for today?
Baby farm animals.
Oh, baby farm animals. So does that mean that they're big or small?
Small.
That's right. And their parents are big.
Good.
All right. This story, you can see all the animals outside. Are they at school?
No,
Where are they?
in the farm.
On the farm. That's right. Okay, Teddy. Time to read. 3, 2, 1, action.
Baby animals run to their moms. A duckling runs and runs. A chick runs and runs. A bunny runs and runs. A piglet runs and runs. We are here, Mom.
Wow, that was awesome reading. Now, Teddy, we heard the baby farm animals. We heard a duckling, a chick, a bunny, and a piglet. When a baby duckling grows up, what does it become?
A baby duckling?
Yeah.
It becomes a duck.
Yeah, that's an easy one. When a baby chick grows up, what does it become?
A chicken.
Yeah.
They kill the moms. Oh, that's bad.
Oh yeah, we can eat them.
Yeah, but
Make fried chicken.
Yeah, that's bad for killing those little chickens.
Oh, that's true. You can make chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. Okay, the next one was a bunny. Well, a baby bunny grows up to be what?
A rabbit.
And a baby piglet grows up to be what?
A pig.
Samgyeopsal.
Yep.
Can eat
Yep.
'em.
Yep.
Okay, and what does a baby boy grow up to be?
A man.
What does a baby girl grow up to be?
A woman.
And a baby Teddy grows up to be? So handsome. I love you, Teddy.
I do.
Great job tonight.
Okay.
Say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye bye, everyone. Mwah. Huggy.
Huggy.